Today we'll see how to create different types of stories while maintaining 100% audio consistency. We'll learn how to make videos with various scripts, ensuring 100% audio consistency. That means creating scenes and then making the video. So the first step is to generate a story or a script for the topic you want to make a video about. You need to generate a script. Since this will primarily be a voiceover and the audio will be done with 11 labs, it will be a voiceover. So for this, the first thing you need to do is create a script. So I just wrote here, give me a motivation. No, not motivation. Give me a, Give me a motivational story. So when I gave that, it actually, wait, I actually hear, give me a short motivational story. So Puisa, the motivational story. So you'll see it will give you a motivational story. You can generate it from here, or if you have Gemini or ChatGPT, you can generate the story from there. It's up to you. Or you can also generate stories from here by clicking here. You can generate ideas, generate scenes, translate everything. Everything is here. And it's not just that you can do it in Bengali. You can actually do it in English, and then French, Spanish, any language. So it's given very nicely here. So I copied all of it. After copying, I put now I'll just give a title here. Since I want to maintain 100% audio consistency, I will keep the audio generation on here. So I kept audio generation on. And if it were an Islamic story, meaning if our prophet, messenger, companions, or any Islamic figure's face would appear, or if there's dialogue here, then you should definitely turn on the Islamic content. In that case, we have a mechanism here so that the faces of Islamic figures will not be shown. A lighting effect will appear. Since there's nothing Islamic here, I'll keep it off. Then if you have Oxy or the 11 Lamps official API setting added, click that. Then choose the voice you like best. प्रॉब्लम वो उसको जो हमारा सिलेक्ट करने के लिए प्रोवाइडर और मॉडल इसमें मत हुआ के I did, and here click autofill. For video style, instead of clicking autofill, choose the type of video you want. If you want Ghibli style, choose Ghibli. For 3D, choose 3D. Many understood. बहुत सारे सिस्टम्स ऐड हुए हैं आपके, आप जो AI के साथ है क्या वीडियो स्टाइल की यूज़ कर देंगे. If you want realistic, choose realistic. If not realistic, you can choose 3D, 2D, any animation you want. So I want realistic, I chose that and I clicked. And here, of course, this is not a problem. It will auto detect. I hope there won't be any issues since audio is enabled, and it will remain. And here you choose how many seconds each scene will be. So I said the video will be generated. I said 6 seconds. I want 6 seconds. You can make it 10 seconds. In that case, you'll have to generate with Super. So what you'll do is just click Start Generate Scene. So first, the voice will be generated by 11 labs. Then, according to that voice, as many seconds of scenes you've selected, that many scenes will be generated according to the audio. Then from those scenes, just like before, if you have watched the previous videos, just like before, you'll click Generate Image to generate images. So after generating the images, you can also manually create videos with those scenes and images used, or you can use the API of the Oxy AI platform to directly create videos using the official API, you see. So we'll wait a bit for this to finish. Look, it's finished generating now. So if you click on open folder, you'll also see the voiceover for it, to check if the voiceover is correct. See, it's 43 seconds long. So 43 seconds makes 7 scenes. 6 times 7 is 42, so 7 scenes. Now your task is to generate 7 images. Click on generate and then you click the Oxy API is added. So Oxy's Nano Banana will generate 7 images, and these 7 images will look 100% with character consistency. So I'll finish the full video on how to generate the full video with 100% audio consistency and character consistency, how you can generate it. So let's wait a bit. Since there are 7 here, each one will take about 30 seconds, 40 seconds or a minute. So it will take, so I'll pause the video and come back after it's finished. See, the images have been generated. If I click, you'll see the little child that's there. It kept it exactly 100% accurate. So we just click on generate video, and I have the Oxy. So using group image, I turned on image to video for 6 seconds. So now one by one, your image plus the scene prompt will be sent to create the video, and then the video will download and come into my project folder under generated videos. Then you will click render to render the video. So let's wait a bit for this to finish. This will also take 8 to 10 minutes. So we'll do other work in the meantime. Almost 5 are done. So you can also generate using that supergroup if you want. Generate and download these, and the scene names need to, or you can use the extension, supergroups automation extension. 6 are done. So there won't be any voice here, because we will add the voiceover we did with 11 Labs here. And to show how that will be added, I am generating the entire video. Look, out of 7 scenes, all 7 were successful. तो जिन्होंने क्लिक में वॉच भी हैं, हमले गन ज़रूरत है, हमले गन करना है. Now what we'll do is click on render. As soon as you click on render, you'll see something here. That is you. So when you click on render, you'll see that it's automatic. Auto subtitle is on. And look, your timestamp file is also linked up automatically. And here you see the voice is also linked up automatically. It's automatically on. You don't have to do anything. If you want channel logo, you added a channel logo. If you want to add subscriber buttons, animated subscriber buttons, you can add them. If you want to add background music, you can add that too. So if I just leave it as is and click on confirm and merge, you'll see that 2 video files will be created in your project folder here. One is the final video file and the other is the merging video file. So look, this is the project file. So when I click here, there was a small boy in a village. Very nicely, you have toys or good food. Very nicely, the video is perfectly joined. The audio maintains 100% consistency. Since the audio was generated once, so consistency will be there. That's it. Damn sure. So accordingly, the video will be exactly as many seconds and minutes as your audio, and it will be completely fine merged. The boy's subtitle didn't come. This is maybe a bug, but this will be fixed in your updated version. No problem. I'm generating it again. Please stay on the line. Okay. So I clicked render and then confirm and merge again. So I hope the subtitle will be added this time. The first one is just merge. Another one will come, the final, which is okay, it's not finished yet. Oh, it's finished. In a village, a small boy, look, the subtitle has appeared. He had no toys or good food. One day he saw a puppy, smaller than him, trembling with hunger. The boy gave the puppy the last piece of bread he had. The puppy ate the bread and started wagging its tail. The boy felt a strange peace. So this way, you can generate a video very nicely with a script or story, maintaining 100% consistency with the audio. You can generate a video very nicely. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.